This video I will explain how MCP works. What is MCP? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. MCP is a standard way for an AI model to connect with external tools, applications, and data sources. In simple words, MCP helps AI systems talk to other software in a structured and organized way. You can think of MCP like a universal communication bridge between AI system and outside systems. Without MCP, every tool needs a custom connection. Every application works differently. Integration becomes difficult. With MCP, AI can connect to tools using one common method. Communication becomes simpler and more standardized. Now we will see the simple real life example. Imagine you have a mobile charger, a laptop charger, and a headphone charger. Now imagine every device uses a different cable type. Life becomes confusing. Now imagine everything uses USB-C. One standard connection works for many devices. MCP works in a very similar way for AI systems. Instead of creating separate communication methods for every tool, MCP creates one standard approach. AI tools can work together more easily. Why MCP is important? Modern AI systems often need access to databases, APIs, documents, file systems, external applications, and business tools. An AI model alone cannot directly understand or control all these systems. So MCP provides a structured way to request information, share context, use tools safely, and return responses. Before understanding MCP deeply, first understand the meaning of context. Context means the information an AI needs to complete a task correctly. For example, suppose you ask, summarize my sales report. Now the AI need your report file, company data, and previous conversation details. All this information becomes the context. MCP helps deliver this context to the AI in a proper format. This video I will explain how MCP works step by step. Step 1. User asks something. For example, show my latest sales data. Step 2. AI understands the request. The AI realizes sales data is not stored inside the model. Information must come from another system. Step 3. MCP connects to the tool. MCP sends a structured request to database, CRM system, spreadsheet, and business application. Step 4. External tool sends data. The connected system returns sales numbers, reports, charts, and custom information. Step 5. AI uses the context. The AI reads the returned information and creates a helpful answer. For example, your sales increased by 18% this month. Now we will see the real life example. Imagine a company uses an AI assistant. An employee asks how many support tickets are still open. The AI itself does not store support tickets. Using MCP, AI connects to the ticket system, retrieves live ticket data, understands the information, gives the answer instantly. Without MCP, developers must build separate custom integrations. Communication becomes messy. With MCP, everything follows one common structure. What are the main components of MCP? First one is AI model. This is the system that understands language, answers questions, and makes decisions. Examples include ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Second one is MCP client. The client sends a request. You can think of like a person making a phone call. The client asks, can you provide this information? Third one is MCP server. The server provides tools or data. Think of this like a person answering the phone call. The server may provide database access, file access, search tools, and APIs. Fourth one is context. Context means the information shared between systems. Examples include documents, user request, business data, files, and tool responses. Now we will see the simple analogy. Think about a restaurant. You are the customer. The waiter is MCP. The kitchen is the external system. The chef is the AI. You tell the waiter what you want. The waiter carries the request to the kitchen. The kitchen prepares the food. Then the waiter brings the result back to you. MCP acts like the organized communication layer. Now we will see benefits of MCP. First one, standard communication. Different tools can communicate using one common format. Second one, easier integration. Developers do not need separate custom connections for every tool. Third one, better AI capabilities. AI can access live data, use tools, read files, and perform actions. Fourth one, scalability. Large systems become easier to manage. Fifth one, more organized context sharing. AI receives cleaner and more structured information. Where MCP can be used? MCP can be used in AI assistants, business automation, customer support systems, coding assistants, data analysis tools, and enterprise applications. Without MCP, an AI system needs one connection for database, another for email, another for file storage, and another for APIs. Everything becomes separate and complicated. With MCP, one standard communication method handles everything more consistently. This makes AI systems easier to build and maintain. Important thing to remember, MCP does not replace AI. Instead, MCP helps AI to access information, use external tools, understand context better, and work with other systems safely and efficiently. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.